Today, we're taking a look at these compression bags. If you travel a lot, if you want to store winter clothes, bulky clothes, shrink them down to get more closet space, to get more suitcase space, you're absolutely going to love these. I'm going to show you exactly how they work, answer all your questions about these. They're going to come in two different packages like this. I have some clothes back here we're going to put in these bags so I could show you exactly how it works. You're gonna get 2 packs of these, some clips, depending on what package you buy, and we'll go over all that. This is how we're gonna shrink them. So let's take a closer look at these bags right over here. So each bag right over here has a little seal right over here, and this is where we're gonna open to get the clothes in. Now, you have directions right over here. You cannot mess this up at all. It's really, really simple. I was kind of afraid at first that this would be confusing, but it's not at all. You're going to get 3 different sizes: 15, about 15 by 19, 15 by 23, and 19 by 23. So this is exactly how this works here. So what you want to do is you want to take one of these right over here. We're going to open it up just like that. Really simply over here. I got 3 kind of big bulky sweaters over here. Let me show you. This is kind of how big they are. Takes up a lot of space in a drawer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in here and we're going to compress it down. So what you're going to do is we're just going to put these in right over here. You could probably go one at a time. You could put them all together. It doesn't really matter. So let's just get them in just like this. So we have 1 in there. We're going to put these other 2 in here as well. So you'll see right over here, it's really taking up a lot of space in the bag. And this is kind of what you want because we're trying to compress this down. So let me show you. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. So this is just for, you could get a lot more shirts in here. These are probably better in a bigger bag. So now your next step right over here is going to be to seal the bag. So we're kind of just going to go across like this. They also give you these clips right over here. So you can put that on there. I like to kind of get it started and then finish with the clips. So I'm just going to take these like this, push this down a little bit. You'll see I kind of purposely wanted to fill this bag pretty tightly so you can kind of see exactly what fits in here. This is going to be great for blankets, sweaters, all that kind of stuff. So we're kind of at the point where everything is together. So I'm going to just seal this to kind of finalize it right over here. So this is just going to hook down like this. And you want to line it up. And then we're just going to pull this through. So we're pretty good there. We're just going to run this through one more time. We'll see right here, it is all sealed now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off right over here. And then we're going to use this pump right over here. So this pump will give you up to 90 compressions. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take this, put it over here. We're going to line this up just like that. Kind of get it going right over here. Let me turn it around here. And then we're going to hit this right over here. So once it's kind of like that, we're going to hit that and we're just going to let it do its work. You'll see right over here, this is shrinking down pretty substantially right over here. And you're just going to keep this on here until a majority of the air is out of here. And we'll see, this is looking pretty good right now, just like this. So when you're done, we're just going to hit this button right over here to stop it. And then we're just going to close it just like this. So now this is exactly what it looks like. It really compressed everything down in here. So now I could just put this literally in my closet. And that's the nice part about this. If I wanted to put this in my closet, I could literally stack these side by side on a top. I could put these in a drawer. But if the sweaters are loose, I can't really do this. So this is a great thing to pack. And you don't really have to worry about this if this cap kind of falls off or anything. It's not going to let any air out. To get the air out of these, you're going to open this just like this. And now it expands up. So now we can see how big and bulky this was prior to before. So really, really like these a lot. Again, you're going to get 3 different sizes. It comes with this right over here. Comes with directions. It comes with a charger as well. And this little bag, haven't had to have to charge it at all yet. But I like the fact that you could just this will easily go in a suitcase or a carry-on if you wanted to. When you're packing, there's nothing worse than, having a bunch of clothes. Like if you have a limit, you could definitely get a ton of stuff in here by shrinking it down. And this is just so easy. It takes up little to no space. So when you pack again, you have it with you. Absolutely love these things. If you are looking for some great storage bag, whether that be for blankets or pillows you could get in here, big bulky sweaters, these things are awesome. And again, you get a ton of different clips over here as well. You got one for each bag, which I think is really nice. They could have just really gave you, I don't know, call it one clip for all the bags. So you don't have to worry about that. I would suggest putting them in here. This way you always have the clips with you. I mean, I made the mistake of just throwing these in a drawer, and I'm like, where are the clips? So the clips could easily fit in here as well. And of course, we get directions and everything like that. So if you are looking for some great vacuum seal bags for your clothing, whether you're traveling, going on a cruise, want to just store blankets for the winter, or pillows for the winter, whatever you want to do. This is kind of what the smaller one looks like. This is what the larger one looks like. And this is going to be the largest one right over here. So you'll see lots of different options here. I hope you found this video review helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope these save you a ton of space and make packing easier.